Hi, it's Ariana. Okay, so I'll give you a tour of my room. Got my hair cut. Okay, so this is pretty much my mirror and my dresser, all my clothes, stuff. This is kind of my crap box. I got my car. You can buy that. Probably don't want to. I have some pictures. It's me on Halloween. I was Supergirl. And then I have my grandma and my dad, my grandpa, and me when I was a baby, me holding my brother, yeah, all that stuff. Books, yearbooks, spray on deodorant, posters, bracelets, broken hair ties, my mom's makeup box, my sweet light, that, my makeup box. It's pretty much where I do my makeup. I used to do my makeup inside here, but now it's kind of like a crap box as well. Oh look, it just fell open. See, got this and goes down and close it. Okay, I have all my straighteners and my hair dryers over here and my curlers. And I have my bed with my pillow pets, and my radio, my backpack, my TV. This. My bathroom, my mom's in it. She just got finished. Hold on. My closet. Justin Bieber. Taylor Lautner. Taylor Swift. I say Mary. It would be Taylor Lautner. Both of them, yeah. Justin Bieber calendar. I've kissed it multiple times. And then my name. Brooke isn't my last name, that's my middle name. And the flowers.